Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? You don't like me? That's okay, because my mama does. We need milk and cheese, what else?
Spaghetti,
We need spaghetti, what else?
taco stuff,
We need taco stuff, what else?
bananas.
We need bananas, what else?
Can you use the word extinct in a sentence?
Every time I come here, it stinks. And I don't like that smell. That is so disgusting. It stinks.
Look at me. What did you just do? Oh my god. What did you do to your face?
Makeup?
You put makeup on.
Yeah.
Did I tell you not to do that? And you still did it?
Yeah.
Did your piggy tails?
Daddy.
Daddy, did your piggy tails?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you shake them? You're so cute.
I go now. You bite?
Nah.
Okay, fine. You bite?
No, thank you.
Okay, fine.
What's your favorite kind of food?
Fruit.
Fruit?
Yep.
What kind of fruit?
Fruit Loops.
Go put your pants on.
No.
Pants time.
No.
Pants party.
No.
Oh, come on.
I like cups.
You like cups?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you love mommy?
No. I don't think so.
You don't think so?
You want to take a nap?
No.
Why?
I'm going to TV.
But we gotta take a nap.
No.
Yeah.
I'm going to TV.
Well, let's go take a nap.
Put your tongue away. Put your tongue away. Put your tongue away. The squirrels are gonna get it. Yes, they are.
Blah, blah, blah.
What is your father's name?
Daddy.
I don't see Daddy in your contacts. What is your father's first and last name?
Daddy.
What is your father's name?
Daddy.
You want milk?
No.
Do you want food?
No.
You want a puppy?
No.
You want $1 million?
No.
Guess how many TikTok followers you have right now?
I guess 100.
You have 1 million followers. What do you want to say to all your followers?
Thank you, guys.